A ranch with 3,300 acres as its backyard is now Utah's most expensive home. If you're looking for a special gift for that special someone this holiday season, your prayers have been answered. You'll just need to have an extra $48 million handy. Most luxury ranch properties are great, but in most cases you're buying them from the land. The houses themselves tend to be small, fixer-uppers, or both. That's not the case for Utah's most expensive listing, which includes a pretty spectacular French-inspired Chateau main residence with a stately stone facade. Hobble Creek Ranch is one of the most magnificent properties in the American West. The listing includes 3,300 acres of land, with ponds and roads and trails for hiking. Situated outside the town of Springville, the property sits at the end of a 7-mile road at the edge of Hobble Creek Canyon. It's the ultimate dream home with 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and an incredible property featuring ponds and access to thousands of acres of Forest Service land. The home sits behind 2 gates and surrounded by almost 20 acres of verdant, manicured land amid the archetypal American West landscape of desert, canyons, and buttes. The 17,500 square foot mansion was built in 2007 as a vacation home for a family from Arizona. Inside, there's a grand entrance with dual staircases plus an indoor pool. Every element of the home was built to the highest standards, and the finish work and detail are unrivaled. In the walkout basement of the main house, the fitness-minded will enjoy a sizable gym and sauna. A kitchen and a 17-seat home theater will please cinema fans. A safe room also occupies the basement, just in case. A tennis court is on the property, just yards away from the indoor pool. The home's backyard is a massive 3,300-acre playground at the back of the left fork of Hobble Creek Canyon. The mansion has stables and garages to support a variety of outdoor hobbies. The property offers privacy, outdoor activities, and wildlife encounters. Residents of the ranch could occupy themselves with any number of activities, from horseback riding to parachuting out of a helicopter. 7 ponds, including one that spans 4.5 acres, can be fished from. In the winter, choose from snowshoeing, snowmobiling, or backcountry skiing. The property varies in elevation from 5,700 feet to 9,100 feet with roads and trails throughout. An extra garage can house plenty of recreational toys, from 4-wheelers and snowmobiles to mountain bikes and winter sports equipment. With so much space, the possibilities are basically endless.